In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Wise. This guide will help you create a personal account step by step so you can start enjoying all the benefits that Wise has to offer. So, let's dive right in and get your account set up. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wise homepage. Once you're there, the first thing you'll need to do is select the email address you'd like to associate with your Wise account. Make sure you choose an email address that you check frequently, as Wise will use it for important communications and notifications. After selecting your email, you'll be prompted with a choice between setting up a personal or a business account. For the purposes of our tutorial today, we'll be focusing on creating a personal account. If you're looking to set up a business account, don't worry, the process is similar with just a few additional steps, which I won't cover in this video. Next, you'll need to choose Japan as your country. It's important to select the correct country since this information helps Wise tailor the services and offers to your needs based on where you are. Once you've made your selection, click Continue. At this point, Wise will ask you to enter your phone number. This is a crucial step as Wise will send you a verification code to the number you provide to ensure the security of your account. Go ahead and enter your phone number, then wait for the verification code to arrive. It usually takes just a few moments. Once you receive the code, simply enter it in the space provided and click Send Verification Code. After successfully verifying your phone number, you'll be guided through a few prompts on your screen. Just follow these instructions until you're at the step where you create a password. Make sure your password is both strong and memorable, as it's an important layer of security for your new Wise account. Once you've created your password, you are all set to log in to your Wise account. You can do this using the email and password you just set up. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker way, you can use the Login with Google option. This feature allows you to access your Wise account smoothly without having to enter your credentials each time. And there you have it. Your Wise personal account is now ready to use. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful as you set up your new account. Enjoy exploring all the financial conveniences Wise has to offer.